So I applied to Clough because Clough is a project-based company, and I was looking to expose myself to a very wide range of engineering work in just 3 months. So I thought it would be a very good company for me.
I heard about the Clough internship through my friends at Curtin, and so I went home and researched about Clough, and I found out that Clough has been here for more than 100 years, and it has a long history, and it has done so many projects that I've heard of, but I never knew that Clough did it.
I think the main reason was because of Clough's presence in university as well. There was career fairs and networking events that Clough attended in my university. And so I did a little bit more research on Clough and really loved the work culture that you guys have and the reputation Clough has amongst the industry workers and engineers.
So when I went to the 2021 Open Day, I learned some more about like the different projects that Clough does, and they do a variety of different projects. So then I thought that would be useful for me since I'm so early on in my career.
When I attended the Open Day as a high school student, I was really enticed by all the options that I could get my hands on.
At university, it's quite theory-based, so I wanted some practical hands-on experience as well. And I thought Clough was the perfect place to do that.